Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we have learned about many commands. Today we will learn about service. So what are the service? See, to run an operating system like Unix is the operating system which is performing a number of tasks to bring the system up and running. So for each and every task there is a process. Okay. So let's see if I run a top command, okay, which we have already discussed in our previous video. We'll get list of the services running like systemd, kthread, RCBU, watcher, and these things. It is keep on changing because according to a CPU and memory utilization, process will go up and down. Okay, so these are the process. There another method ps tree. Okay, this is a command. So you'll able to see systemd, udev, login journal, ssd. So you are able to see ssh is having 1, 2, 3. Then bash su private ps3. So ps3 we are running a command which is running on shell, and we have logged in as a meet user, but we did the su. Okay, so what ss service is running, we have logged into the ssd service. From that we have logged in as a Amit, we have used the shell, bash shell. Then we switch to a root user. In root user we are running a bash shell, from where we have run the ps3 command, which is showing the output of this. So this is the process. Okay, and we are having smart d, forward d, cups for a printer process, cron d for cron process. So this is how it's running. And if you see, parent of all the processes is system d. Okay, so system d is managing, taking care of all the other process. It's a parent of all the process. So in a system, first process is loaded as a system d. So if you see PID of system D, it's 1. Okay, so it is the first process to load it in the system. And what you can do, PID of init. It's not showing init because in RHEL 6 init was there, but in RHEL 7 it got replaced to system D. So that's why system D is the first process to load in a system. In RHEL 6 or 5.4.3 earlier version of RHEL, it is init process, but init is having some dependency, and that's why we have moved to RHEL 7. We'll discuss those things later. Today we are discussing the services. So these are all the services like ps-ef 5 grep. What service I am having? To run sh, we are having sh service. Okay, so from root user there are 1, 2, 3, 4 services are running, and this is also OpenSSH is showing. If I do SSD, then also we are getting same response. So if you see this process 3108 is the process ID of this, parent process ID 2627. Okay, and here also this. So if you see the parent ID of these two process is this, and for this we are having PID, parent PID is 1. So system D is like taking care of the SS process which is having the PID of 1, and from SSD service these two are threads are running. Okay, and 2561 here 2565, because of these two process, these another two processes taking place here. Okay, so this how you can trace it, or else ps3 pipe grep ssh. You're able to see how it is working. Okay, now these are the process like ps3 we have already discussed, the cups, ssd, crond, and these are all the process to run a system. But there is another thing called daemon. So what is daemon? So system D is managing the daemons. let me show you. Each and every process, okay, which is managed by system D, like every process which is having the parent PID is one, that is called daemon. PS tree. Okay, so SHD, this is a daemon. Okay, under this daemon, these are two threads, three threads are running. So under daemon, process thread will work, and daemon is directly managed by the system D. So ps-ef pipe grab -issh. So if you see, user admin SSD is 113. This is the daemon which is managed by init or system D here. Okay, and this daemon is running these two processes because these two processes are child of 1113 process. We'll do cron. Okay, so cron D is a daemon which is managed by system D. Okay, and ps-ef pipe grab -I firewall. Okay, firewall D is a process which is managed by, this is a PID, and this is the daemon. Firewall D is a daemon which is managed by the system D. So all the processes which are managed by system D is called daemon. All the daemons parent PID will be 1, and if your processes are pointing to daemon, that is called process. So we are having init process, or in RHEL 7 we are having system D. Okay, system D, this is the parent of all the process, and cron D is a daemon, and cron D is managing cron. Okay, like you say system D manage the SSD daemon, and from SSD there are some SSD process threads are running. So under this daemon, 3 thread of SS is running, and this daemon is reporting to system D. So that's how it should work. PS tree. Okay, you're able to see this is a daemon which is managed by system D, and these are two SS process is running under system D, and this is also a process. So each and every task you are performing in a system, that is called process, and that process is managed by the daemon, and those daemon are reporting to system D. So system D is a daemon itself to manage to the other daemon. Okay, we'll create one more SS session and we'll see the difference. Session redhat 7. Let me create a new session. Okay, it got created here. su-root. Okay, I will not execute this command. First we will see what's the difference here. Earlier we are able to see 2 SSD process showing. Now you are able to see one more branch got open, SH process which is running bash. Now I will do root password. Okay, again we will run. Let's grab the SSH. Okay, so this branch got extended su by bash. If I switch again su-test, which is, so this branch will go further extend. So this is the daemon, sh daemon. Under that SSD process is running. From that SSD process we have run the bash. From bash we have run the su. We become root, and this is a root bash thing. And from root bash we have run the test thing. So here you are able to see this is the complete process pipe. Okay, so SSD daemon is managing all the things. So we are having one session here, and second session is FTP service. Third session is here. If I open one more new session, one more branch will get append here, and that's how system D SS daemon is managing all the other SSH process. Okay, so all the processes are managed by the daemon, and that daemon is reporting to system D. Why I am calling a daemon? Whatever process is parent PID is 1, like whatever process is pointing to system D, it is called daemon. So we see es-ef 5 grep ssh d. So this is the daemon which is pointing to parent PID is 1, and all are the processes. Okay, so how to restart a service, how to reload, how to enable, how to disable, how to active, how to mask, unmask. This topic we'll cover in the next video. So today we have discussed only about the process and daemon. Okay, so this is the thing. We'll discuss further more on this topic in coming videos. Till then, keep practicing this thing. If you are having any question, put in a comments box. I will try to answer your questions. Learn this, practice more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.